Hi, I'm John DeToro, and today I'm going to show you a great southern side dish using okra. Now, with COVID-19 happening, you're kind of running out of ideas what to cook, what to make. This not only is a great side dish, it's an awesome snack dish. Crack open a beer, sit down, you're going to put some hot sauce with this at the end. It's fantastic, great southern style. So here is okra, and you're going to see that the inside of the okra, once you cut it, is that kind of like star-looking type of design. When you cut the okra, it gets really gelatinous and kind of a little slimy. That's what you want. So you're going to cut the okra, you're going to put it aside, roughly in pieces, I'd probably say around a ½ inch. Be a little generous. Meanwhile, in a Ziploc bag, you're going to take around 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of semolina flour, take around ½ tablespoon of cornstarch. You could do around a half to a full teaspoon of granulated garlic. It's completely up to you. Same thing with the pepper. You could do some crushed coriander, which is what I really like to put in there as well, with some salt. You're going to put in the bag, take all the okra that you cut, put in the bag as well. You're going to seal it, and you're going to give it a shake. Back and forth, back and forth. Now, what you're going to find is because the okra secretes that kind of gelatinous type of funkiness, that when you put in the bag, that's what's going to have all the ingredients stick to it. So you don't need to do a wash of like egg or milk or anything like that. You just throw the okra right into the bag, shake it around. After you do that a little bit, you're just going to let it sit there and rest. And the okra is still going to excrete some of that, I guess, liquid or gelatinous substance, whatever it is, starch, I guess. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to take a pan and you're going to put around 2 tablespoons of corn oil in the pan. Just going to bring it to a medium high. You want that high heat because when the okra goes in there, you want it to sear. You don't want it to sit there and on slow heat and cook and start getting mushy. You want to sear the outside so you get that crunchiness. So we're going to let this sit for 5 minutes. Come back. I'll put it in the saucepan, show you how it turns out, the color that you want, the texture that you want, and then you're ready to serve. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken the okra and put it into a sifter, put it above the garbage, gave it a shake. Now you could save, I guess, the cornmeal and the corn flour. I never do. It's so minute left, I just get rid of it. So after it's all sieved out, because you don't want all the granules in the pan, you take the pan, and in you go. Now, what you're going to do is just going to give it a shake, get it all coated up, and keep it on that high heat. Or, sorry, high medium, or medium high. And you're just going to let it sit there and do its thing. Now, what you can do is, at this raw state, since it's covered a little bit with oil, throw in a little bit of salt. You definitely want to salt this, because if you don't add the salt, the flavor just doesn't pop. And you're going to just keep it here for around 5 minutes or until golden brown. Every couple minutes, come in and give it a shake. Make sure it's all coated. And just keep doing that until your desired, I guess, whether or not you want a golden brown, you want it done a little bit more, a little bit crispier. The longer you keep it in at the higher heat, the crispier it's going to get. When you're done, you're going to then take it off the heat. I use a paper bag, cut the paper bag in half, put it on a plate, and put the okra in here. I find the paper bag really absorbs the extra oil. And at that point, let it cool, plate, serve. I love throwing a little bit of hot sauce, whether it's Habano, ghost pepper, Louisiana hot sauce, Tabasco, whatever your desire is, go for it. Okay, it's been around 10, 12 minutes since the okra's been on, stirring it constantly, doing what I've got to do, and it is ready. So as you can see, I personally like it where it's got the dark brown spots on it. It's been pretty well cooked. I'm going to place it on the plate like so. Now, what you're going to do is just going to give it a little bit of a shake. And as you can see the oil that's being left behind, but it's not an oily dish, so don't let that freak you out a little bit. Now, I personally like the hot sauce, the authentic Louisiana. You can get it at Loblaws or the ever so famous Valentina. If you want something hotter, throw in some Ghost, make up your own, but I just basically take the hot sauce, put it on top, and just eat it with a fork. That's like a snack for me. So I hope that you try this. I think it's fantastic. Super simple, super cheap, super awesome. Check it out, try it, let me know, send me a message, tell me if you like it.